Hello everybody, this is Virendra and now I am showing you the demo of machine learning assignment project 4B name. This is part of Harvard course Introduction to Artificial Intelligence using Python. As part of this assignment, we are building a NIM game using reinforcement learning. It is actually QE learning algorithm. Initially, we are training the AI to play NIM game through reinforcement learning, and then AI will be playing its move using these Q values. So let's start. So right now I am training the AI. We are actually training through 10,000 cycles. Okay, and now AI is trained and ready for its move. So initially it was AI's turn. So AI has taken these steps. It has taken out one pile from number 3. So now let me try. I will also take 2 piles from. Okay. So here, okay, let me try. Okay, so I am the last one to play the move. It means AI won. Okay, so this was the first game, and let's try one more time. So now this is first turn is mine. So I will take out one from 0th pile, and AI has taken one from pile 2. So let me try take from pile 3. I am taking 6. Okay. Taking 2. Okay, so AI is again, I come back to, I think, previous game, and it looks like so it again happened, like AI smartly moved, and again AI won. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.